this is the next problem. Let G be the grammar. So this is the grammar. S produces small a caps B or small b caps A. A produces small a or AS or B caps A caps A. Caps B produces small b or small b caps S or small a caps B caps B. For the string AAA, BBA, BBBA, find leftmost derivation, rightmost derivation and parse tree. Okay. So, previously we had a simpler problem. This is little bit lengthier problem. So, now let us do the leftmost derivation. Now, to start with, we need 3 A's. So, we always start with S produces, S produces. We need A, not this B. So, here our decision is very clear. S produces AB. S produces AB. Now, we got the first A. From this B, we need 2 more A's. So, from B, we need 2 more A's. So, let us take ABB. So, S produces ABB. Now, we got 2 A's. From this B, we need 1 more A there. So, AA. From B, we need A. So, we do not have a choice. We have to take this production ABB from this, and then this is B by putting the same production. A, B produces, now we need a B. So, we can take B produces B. These 2 B's let us keep as it is. B produces B. A, B is done. A, B is done. Now, we need BAB from this B. So, let us take B produces B itself again. Now, A, 2 B's are there, B, 2 B's are there. Now, we need AB, B, A. So, from this B, we can take A, B, B by putting B produces A, B, B. So, A, B, B, A. Now, A, B, B, A. So much is done. So much is done. What is remaining? 3 B's A. So, let us take B produces B. B produces B. A, B, B, A, B, 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 A, B, B, A, B. So much is done. Now, we need BBA from this B. So, we will take B produces BS. B produces BS. So, A, BBA, BB. Now, what is remaining? BA we want. So, for getting BA from this S, we can use this production BA. S produces BA. So, A, B, B, A, B, B, B. For this A produces A, we can take B, 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 A by putting A produces A. So have we got the required string? A, B, B, A, B, 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 A. Yes, we have got it. So this is the required string. Now let us do the parse tree. S produces A, B. S produces A, B. This is done. S produces, sorry, B produces, this is B produces A, B, B. B produces A, B, B. B produces. Then same LMD, B produces A, B, B. B produces A, B, B. Done. B produces B. Done. B produces B. Done. B produces A, B, B. Let me take it a bit away. A, B, B. B produces A, B, B. Then B produces B. B produces B, S. B produces B, S. S produces B, A. B, A. A produces A. Now A, B, B, A, B, 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 A. This is the yield, which is what is required. Hence the derivation and the parse tree using leftmost derivation.